Welcome to Kanana Gardens. Have you ever wondered how to make hydroponic gardening easier? Our app is the ultimate AI-assisted solution for managing your home hydroponic systems. But what does that really mean? Hydroponic systems can be tricky to maintain. Nutrient feed charts can be confusing and often don't account for different plant species. You need precise calculations to ensure each plant gets the right nutrients at every stage of its life. Keeping track of all this data can be overwhelming. We manage over 30 hydroponic systems with many different plant species in our lab, and we found it a lot to handle. That's why we built the Kanana Gardens app, to simplify hydroponics without the need for expensive sensors. You can easily record measurements about your plant and reservoir. Visual gauges show how each measurement compares to your plant's ideal target ranges. The app alerts you when your plant or reservoir needs attention. It calculates the ideal nutrient mixture every time your plant needs feeding, considering your unique setup, including nutrients, water source, dilution with existing contents, shared reservoirs, and your plant's type and stage. Kanana Gardens learns and adapts from your plant's history, improving recommendations over time. Our goal is to make hydroponics easy for everyone. The app is free for typical household and educational use, supporting up to 4 hydroponic systems and 12 plants at no cost. Those who want more can subscribe to our premium tier to increase their capacity. Our support for various nutrients, systems, and plants is growing. If your preferences aren't supported yet, let us know. To learn more, visit kanana.ca or follow us on Facebook or YouTube at Kanana Gardens.